Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, I make props and costumes, but I'm of course a prop and costume collector. I love picking up different pieces from different companies, especially if those companies produce amazing products. And today we're going to be unboxing something that I've always wanted in my collection, and now I finally got one. It is the High Elven Warrior Sword from the Lord of the Rings. Now this is a piece by a company called United Cutlery. They have the license for making Lord of the Rings weapons, and they produce an amazing range of the weapons from Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. You can see Anduril behind me. It looks fantastic. This is what I've wanted ever since I saw it in the cinema, and now I've finally got my hands on one. This is it, I'm super excited, so let's go. Nice. There we go. Oh, I'm super excited. So excited. Let's crack in. Okay, so this is actually the final packaging before the polystyrene. That I didn't expect, but let's get him out of here. So there's the certificate of authenticity. That's great, but let's crack into the main event, shall we? Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, let's tidy up and have a good look. Okay, here we go. This thing is just incredibly beautiful. Look at that thing. You can see how absolutely ginormous this thing is, and it's pretty weighty. It's pretty well balanced. The blade's quite heavy. There's your balance point right there. Blade is way bigger than I expected it to be, like even from looking at pictures and everything. This lovely metal work there. All those vine details. You got the little stamp down here just saying that it's an official product, which is great. This thing's solid too. It's like that. My Anduril, it's got a bit of a rattle, you know, sort of. It's just, it doesn't feel solid. This, however, this thing is hefty and it's solid. Not that I'm going to sharpen it or go hitting things with it or anything, just for display and cosplay. But yeah, this thing feels like an absolute beast. It's a monster. Look at it. Look at it. Can we even get it in frame? Yeah. That is the size of this thing. This thing is huge. This thing is just so beautiful. I'm just so glad I managed to pick one up. If you do want to pick one up, I got mine here in the UK from the Night Shop. I'll leave a link in the description below, and they just got in a new shipment of these, and they shipped out as soon as they had them because I had it back ordered. But yeah, this is just such a beautiful piece. If you're a fan of the Lord of the Rings, and if you're a fan of just movie weapons, this is such an iconic piece, and this is just such a great version of this. I just highly recommend you picking it up. I feel like I just want to go and chop up some orcs, you know? Just like in that prologue when they just, the whole look and feel of this is just absolutely fantastic. It also comes with this wall display, so let's have a little look, because we've got to get this up on the wall for sure. Yeah, I'm a careful prop owner, I swear. So it also comes with this lovely wall display, and there's some little brackets which hold it. Obviously it gets held horizontally, so I'm gonna find some horizontal space here to pop it up. But there are the wall hangings. Looks like it sits in there. Let's get this up on the wall. Although, damn, that looks good there. Oh no, that looks so good there. So guess who got distracted and didn't film an outro for his video? This guy. I got distracted looking at different vertical stands and ways to have it standing upright, because I think it looks fantastic in that position. So as for the wall stand, we're not going to be using that at the moment, and I just got that in case I want to use it in future. But for now, this guy's going to stay right there. I also did a video on this guy. This guy's been repainted, so if you haven't seen that video, do go check that out. It's a great video, and I'll show you how to get this this kind of finish on your helmet to match the movie. So that just about wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Of course, I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna go hunt some orcs.